Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to hide your WhatsApp status from specific people. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now, go to the Updates or Status tab at the bottom. Once you're there, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap on Status Privacy. Here, you'll see three options. The first option is My Contacts. This allows all your saved contacts to see your status. The second option is My Contacts Except. This lets you hide your status from specific people. Tap on Edit, select the contacts you want to exclude, and tap the tick icon. The third option is Only Share With. This allows only selected contacts to see your status. Tap on Edit, choose the contacts you want, and confirm. There's also an option to allow sharing. You can turn this on if you want others to share your status, or turn it off for more privacy. And that's it. You now have full control over who can see your WhatsApp status. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.